Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Thanks again for stopping by. Today I have another lock transformation and it's gonna be so amazing. I'm doing my niece's hair. She's been locked for about 7 months now. And we're gonna get right into this. So I washed her hair. I'm using my organic Career Roots oil to just massage in her scalp and all over her locks. So after I massage her scalp, I begin to retwist, and y'all know before she goes under the dryer, I have to use these black strips to lay her edges down. So after she's done with the dryer, I remove all of the clips from her hair and I massage her hair again with some oils. Look how beautiful those parts are. Okay, get into those parts. So now we're gonna get into the style. I'm so excited for y'all to see this. This was just a style that I came up with. I literally was about to do her hair. I was like, oh, let me go to the beauty supply store and pick up some hair because I have this style in mind and I just have to do it. So I ended up doing lock barrels in the front and in the back, which you'll see shortly. And that's just the base of the style. So stay tuned for the buns. I do just want to add that this style is perfect for anyone with starter locks or who have short locks. I wouldn't recommend this style for anyone with long locks or medium length. It's still achievable, I would say, with medium length locks, but anyone who has locks past their shoulders, this style really isn't ideal. So the hair that I use to achieve these buns is the Cuban Twist 16 inch. I only used one pack and I ended up dividing it into two. I believe I had about 8 strands per bun. So you're gonna need that, and you're also gonna need 2 hair ties or scrunchies. Then you're gonna place the hair onto the hair tie and loop it through so that the hair will hang on there, and then you can attach it to her actual hair. So you guys, this part is optional. I chose to use some Mango Supreme mango butter and just rub it between my hands and rub it onto the extension hair because that hair can tend to be a little dry. So then I divide the Cuban twist hair into 3 parts, and I begin to do a 2-strand twist. So I have 3 2-strand twists per bun. Now once the bun is formed, I secure it with a rubber band, and then I also secure it with hairpins. Now these buns came out perfect, even better than I imagined. She loved them, I loved them, and once they were all done, I added a little bit of lock jewelry to adorn them and to give it a little bit of spice. So this style can be worn for any occasion, you guys. How about you try it out and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Thanks for watching.